Attorney General Pam Bondi is right now testifying in front of the Senate Judiciary Committee. This is an annual Justice Department oversight hearing, but as you can imagine, she is facing some very stern questions from Democrats about sending National Guard troops to U.S. cities. So I want to play for you a bit of how she defended that move a little while ago. Listen to this.
We are replicating that tough on crime approach throughout this country. Under the leadership of Director Kash Patel, the FBI is doing outstanding investigative work to keep American people safe.
CBS News Justice correspondent Scott MacFarlane has been following all of the action from Washington, and he joins me now. So, Scott, what else have you heard thus far?
If you're looking for a place to go, Vlad, to hear a very organized, continuous set of questions, the last place you want to go is a congressional hearing, because they are all over the map, as expected. Democrats have been asking the Attorney General about the potential release of Jeffrey Epstein case file. She really hasn't answered those questions declaratively. There's been no indication the Department of Justice is going to release more of what it has in its possession. She's also been asked about allegations the border czar, Tom Homan, collected a bag of cash before taking office, before the president's administration began. Allegations he's denied, and the Attorney General denied those again, saying an investigation was conducted. Republicans are pressing two other matters, including the deployment of all those federal agents, including Justice Department agents, in U.S. cities to help combat crime. The Attorney General today championed the work of those federal agents here in Washington, D.C., lowering crime numbers. And then there's another matter, Vlad, about allegations that surfaced last night that Special Counsel Jack Smith, investigating Trump's efforts to overturn the 2020 election, seized or had a grand jury approve the seizure of some metadata from some Republican senators' phones and a Republican House member's phone. Take a listen to the exchange a few moments ago.
Operation Arctic Frost was an unconstitutional, undemocratic abuse of power. During Arctic Frost, the FBI also placed 92 linked Republican individuals and Republican groups, such as Charlie Kirk's Turning Point, on their list. This is the kind of conduct that shattered the American people's faith in our government, as I said in my opening statement. We are ending this weaponization. Our FBI is targeting violent criminals, child predators, and other lawbreakers, not sitting senators who happen to be from the wrong political party.
A real political Rorschach test here. The president's critics will say that that investigation was into election subversion, which was done allegedly in concert with some Republican lawmakers. But the president's supporters will say, Vlad, the executive branch getting legislative branch phone records by a grand jury, that is a very provocative thing to do.
All right, Scott MacFarlane following the happenings on Capitol Hill this morning, where we see the Attorney General of the United States, Pam Bondi, there testifying before a Senate Judiciary Committee. We'll check in with you throughout the course of the day, Scott. We appreciate you.